Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to obtain the Shoal Caller Badge in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. First, of course, you need to unlock the achievement feature or achievement menu. You can unlock this feature after you reach level 7 in Heartopia. Then you can go to your watch and check the achievement. And I've already obtained this achievement badge, shoal color. And basically, you just need to trigger 3 shoals in a single fishing event. So you can join the fishing event, guys. Either the sea fishing event at the fishing village, or you can join the Frostspore event. And if you want to join the Frostspore event, you can go to the Winter Utopia and talk to Fanya. But if you want to join the sea fishing event, you can go to Fishing Village and talk to Bill. And I'm going to join the fishing event by Vanya at the Winter Utopia. Okay, now I'm joining the Frostspore fish event by Vanya, and triggering these shoals means triggering the extra fishing pace. So I would like to recommend you to form a party with 4 or more people. And you can also use the items like Mermaid Perfume or Mermaid Fish Attractor, so you can increase the possibility to trigger the extra pace. Okay, and as you can see guys that the extra pace has been triggered. And to trigger this extra pace, you can also try to pop the bubbles. It will also increase the chance to trigger the extra fishing pace. And to get the shoal color badge, you need to trigger the shoal 3 times. Okay guys, and those are the tips from me to trigger these shoals in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.